Hey guys, I am Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today I want to talk to you about Maca powder. Maca powder, it's spelled M-A-C-A, and a lot of people can get this confused with matcha or a lot of other different superfood powders, especially ones that we might be using in our videos. So today is all about Maca. Maca is going to be, at least if you're visiting us at Plant, it's in a lot of our smoothies. Sometimes you might find it in a dessert or in an energy bite, things like that, but mainly you're gonna find them in our smoothies. Maca is a superfood powder and it's really good for replenishing your adrenal glands. So a lot of us have heard of people going into this thing called adrenal fatigue, and you might know someone, right? But not a lot of people know what that really means. And our adrenal glands get taxed by overstress, caffeine intake, and then over-exercise. There's probably not a whole lot of us, at least not people that I know or that I hang around, that exercise too much, but you never know. Overstress is probably something that we can all relate to, as most of us are Americans, and in our culture, we're very go, go, go. It's a very fast-paced way of life, and that can lead to an excess amount of stress. So maca powder is going to be great for you if you can relate to that. So maca, again, it replenishes your adrenal glands, and by helping replenish your adrenal glands, it can help stabilize your mood, your hormones, your energy, things like that. So people will always say, oh, maca gives me energy. And not necessarily, it's not like it's giving you energy like caffeine or matcha, which is the green tea powder that we've spoke about in the past, but it can help replenish your body's natural energy, which to me is better than anything. That's what we really want to do. We want our bodies to have natural energy. We don't want to live day to day on fake energy by caffeine. So maca powder, M-A-C-A, I'm showcasing a Terra Soul brand today. This is an organic, a non-GMO product. There's a lot of brands out there. Just make sure it's organic and non-GMO and you should be good to go. Oh, that rhymed. Not intentionally, but I like it. So anyway, maca powder. So add this to your smoothies. You're gonna see it in a lot of our recipes. Add about a tablespoon. You can do less if you don't like the taste. I personally love the taste of maca powder. To me, it tastes like almost like a caramel-like taste, I guess I should say. Anyway, I've done this in some of the recipes that you guys have probably already tried. So all of that to say, if you haven't tried it yet, go to the store, get you some maca and see what you think. Do it every day and tell me if you notice a difference. But just about a teaspoon to a tablespoon a day should be all you would need. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you have questions, be sure to comment below. Always be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.